Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to fix a balding frontal or closure to make it really nice without having to stress so much. And also I'll be showing you guys how to save your really dry, crusty, unmoisturized wigs into very lively, moisturized and sexy wigs. If you want to see how I do that, watch till the end of the video. Okay, so starting off with a really dry wig. In this clip here, I'd already gone ahead and I'd washed my hair with the Nourishing Healing Max. So right now I'm working on clean hair because I do not want to do this process when the hair was still very fragile and dirty. Well, I'm just showing you the general construction of the wig and how matted it is and just basically how old the wig is. The wig was sent to me by my very lovely client to help her bring it back to life, and that is what we are going to be doing today. So this is just generally how the wig looks like. I mean, it's nothing serious, just some water weave, loose curl situation going on, and now I'm going to bring it back to life. So first things first, we are going to take care of the balding spot. Like, that is literally the elephant in the room. You get the joke? Do you get, like, cause it's like really big as an elephant? Okay, if you don't get the joke, it's fine. So yeah, we're starting with this baby. You know how in older videos you'll be like, oh, you have to ventilate first of all, cut the hair. Step 2, make sure that your hair is very smooth by teasing the ends to let go of the beard. And step 3, go in with a crochet hook and try to bore yourself to death by trying to ventilate all of your hair. Like, I hate it. Like, I am extremely lazy. I cannot do it. This process is not for me. So if you are a fellow lazy girl as I am, this video is going to be perfect for you. Just really ignore what I'm doing on the screen. That's an alternative if you have the time, but if you do not have the time, now this is where it gets really super juicy. First off, I'm going to go in with a marker. You want to get something that is as close to your hair color or the lace color, because you don't want it to be showing, like, you don't want it to be an imposter. Okay, so once you figured out what the color is, you're going to just draw the boundaries, and then you're going to figure out what thread is closest to your lace or your hair color. The only colors concerned in this experiment, this procedure, is lace color and hair color. So once you've picked one, go in with your scissors, and then you're going to carefully cut out the part you marked. Well, first of all, you have to pin it down so your hair doesn't move up and down, but yes, you're going to carefully cut it out. I like to think of it like a surgery, fulfilling my Grey's Anatomy full fantasy. But yes, so that's basically the part I took out, and that was really much. And also, like, with all this closure scarcity that is going on, I really do not want to ventilate the hair. Like, I'm really sorry. So this was a much more better option. She still gets full use of her closure, and it's still, like, not very much work done. Okay, so now you're going to go in with your needle and thread. I picked the thread which was closer to my lace color. Well, not exactly, because you see why I say not exactly in the end. But I guess just pick a color that is generally close to your lace color. I did, however, pick the color that was generally closer to my client's scalp color. That is also another option. Sorry if I didn't include that. But yes, so I'm just basically going to be sewing it, and I'm going to use the over under method. Like, you're basically over, I don't know what this stitch is called. I really did like sewing classes when I was in secondary school, but so I'm going to try and hope that this video is explaining it much more better. But you're literally going to do an overlocking stitch. Yes, so you're going to do a hand sewn overlocking stitch on the line, and you're literally just going to sew it right down till the end. And also, you need many pins to help you in this process, because you are going to, like, the hair is going to move if you don't pin it down, and you do not want mismatched hair like I end up having here. But it's no big deal, because I had to cut the excess lace because there's literally no hair there, so it's not that much of a big deal. But make sure that your hair is pinned correctly and you're sewing it correctly and everything is going in correctly. When you get to this point, all we're going to do right now is literally just overlock it more so that the lace or the thread doesn't unravel in the future. As you can see, it looks okay, but it's not the best. So right now we're going to go in with methods to deceive the public. I'm joking, but we're literally going to go in with how to further, how to further disguise, how to further fulfill the fantasy. I'm going to go in with my color palette and I'm going to use my black shadow. You can use a mascara for this, but I couldn't find my mascara, and also after watching a bunch of videos online, I just decided that using eyeshadow was the best decision for me, because if you use mascara and it gets raining, you're not going to like the outcome. And then to make sure that my client has a pat, I went in with some foundation. So now for the other part of the video, taking care of the rest of the hair. Like I said, the hair was washed and it was looking clean. I'm going to go in with my curls popping hydrating mist. I have another video where I use all of the products I'm going to use here, so you can go and check that video out because that one is really much more detailed. So basically, the hydrating mist is to bring your hair back to life. So all what you have to do is literally just splash on the hair, and it's mostly for curly hair, but you can use it for even straight hair. It's literally just to bring your hair back to life. It's like a revival kind of serum for hair. So I'm just going to brush my hair, and as you can see, instantly my hair is shiny, the texture is back, and we are back in business. My hair is literally looking brand new with just few spritz. So imagine if you had the whole package to go on with, how good your hair is going to look like. See the difference, see what I'm talking about. This is magic. Anyway, so I'm just going to go on and keep spraying and keep spraying and spraying because I really love this product, so I like to use it so much. Spray, and then you're going to go ahead and you're going to brush the hair so that it could just, I don't know, blend with other hair follicles and whatnot. Okay, so next up we are going to use the curl activating custard, and this is to bring out the extra juicy nature of the curls. You really do need this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scrunch, I'm going to apply on my hands, and then I'm going to scrunch into the hair. You could also rub it on the hair, but I really don't like rubbing things in my hair, so I prefer to just scrunch whatever stuff I want into my hair. And there you go, instantly your hair is transformed from really dry, crunchy to moisturized, hydrated. See the curls, see the curls. This is what I'm talking about when I talk about wig reviving. Anyways, like I said in the previous video, if you do want to get a sample of this product, it is very simple. All you have to do is check my description box and follow the instructions, and you can get a sample sent out to you, or you could purchase the whole set for yourself. So back to the video. This is what my lace finally looks like, and honestly it's not bad, considering the fact that there's literally no closures in the market right now. This is a very good way to just maintain whatever accident closure you have in your closet. And now I'm going to show you what we started from. This is the beginning, and see how bad it was. And now I'm going to take you to, this is what we have right now. See the difference, see the transformation, people. Anyways, if you need wig services, you can contact me on Instagram. Don't forget to check out the description box on how you can get this product. This is the end of the video. Don't forget to leave a comment, subscribe, share. As always, I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.